This guy. Poor little thing was just swimming in the water. He's tired. You can see his nose going.
Yeah. Should be alright. Just get him dried off.
That's Steven, his caretaker. Here's the Patterdale. Oh, and there you are. I could kind of see you. An adventure in Austin. Here's me. Forgot flash is on again.
Look at him. Get his face. That'll be hard.
Alright.
There we go. Yeah, little dude.
I think I could see him.
Staring right into my soul.